let's go and say when I try to pull from CVE. Oh, maybe it's because I'm trying to get everything instead of just querying for something in particular. That might be it. Let's try that real quick. So let's say we go here. Let's say we update our query to be like that. Test. Okay, so that's a lot faster because so it was trying to get like everything, which wasn't going to work well, but we're able to get by querying for a particular thing that we're looking for. So we can do different queries with specific things that we might need, and then we'll get the data that way. So while we're here, we got that. Let's say we throw in an open AI. We say message and model. We say text message model. Let's do mini. And we say this one right here. So now it's not going to find this because we need to go and say I take that out. I drop that in there. And now I have what it needs to look up. Right? So if let's go ahead and test this step. Now it gives me information here about it, and then I can output that somewhere else, right? But it gives me the information. I can output it to a file, have it save, and now we can take a look at the details and stuff like that. I could. Oh my god! I was supposed to be wrapping it up, right? But I can't. I cannot help myself. I cannot help myself. So if we say add another node, upload, or say Google Drive, and let's say create a file from text, and we say Google Drive account, file, create file. Let's go here. Let's wire that to here. It says wrap it up. All right. Give me a second here. Boom. And let's test that step. Now. Look at that. Google Drive. Like that. Just like that. So now we can have a bunch of let me see something. We can have a bunch of different sources that it's gathering it from to create a comprehensive report. We could even do markdown. trying to think how I would have it convert from Markdown, but whatever. That's not like that doesn't matter. But basically, we got the text in there, right? And then there's probably a way to have Google Drive read the Markdown code, right? But there we go. There we go. There it is right here. Simple as that. Simple as that, right? Great. Thank you for making me look back into that, Junior. I really appreciate that because I was like, and we just had to query the things that we're looking for specifically because you don't need to query everything if you're not using everything, right? So if you're using Apache servers and you want to query for Apache, if you're using Node, you want to query for Node.
I'm not that far removed from the storm. The heat still lingers, my heart still warm. I try to change, but the core remains. I'm not that far removed from the flame.
I'm not that far removed from the storm. The heat still lingers, my heart still warm. I try to change, but the core remains. I'm not that far removed from the flame.
They pushed and pulled like I'm a game to play. Thought I'd crumble, thought I'd stray. I walked away from shadows I knew, but I'm not that far removed from the view.
They threw their stones, I caught them all. Built a wall so I wouldn't fall. Changed my name, changed my tune, but I'm not that far removed from the moon.
I'm not that far removed from the fire that burns, the soul I prove. You can test me, you can try, but I'm still the storm, the unbroken sky. I bury my past, but it won't stay gone. A ghost in the mirror, it lingers on. Try to rewrite, try to improve, but I'm not that far removed from the groove.
I buried the fire, but it still flickers low. They thought I'd crumble, but they don't even know. The echoes of me that I left in the past still rise like a shadow I can't outlast.
They see my face, but they don't see the scars. Every line's a map, a story that's ours. I wear my armor, my heart's subdued, but I'm not that far removed from the crude.
They built their walls, but I've got my tools. Try to make me dance to their shallow rules. I walked away, but the fight's in my veins. Not that far gone from my old hurricane.
They wanted a puppet, but I cut the strings. Tried to clip my wings, but I still sing. I shed my skin, but the scars still show. Not that far gone from the me they used to know. I'm not that far removed from the fire that burns, the soul I prove. You can test me, you can try, but I'm still the storm, the unbroken sky.
Oh, they act like I've forgotten the fight, but I'm a phoenix not lost in the night. I've grown taller, but the roots run deep. I'll wake the thunder if they wake the beast.
Oh, they act like I've forgotten the fight, but I'm a phoenix not lost in the night. I've grown taller, but the roots run deep. I'll wake the thunder if they wake the beast.
Oh, they act like I've forgotten the fight, but I'm a phoenix not lost in the night. I've grown taller, but the roots run deep. I'll wake the thunder if they wake the beast.